Here we are going to learn how to play the card game for Circle Properties. For 3 to 4 players, we will start off with 18 coins, and for 5 to 6 players, we will start off with 14 coins. Regardless of the number of players, each player should have a double coin, and the rest of the coin should be single coins. Let's look at the scenario whereby we have 5 players. So we will start off with 14 coins. To start the game, we will flip over the question cards. The number of question cards will be equal to the number of players. And in this case, we have 5 players. At one side, we will have the answer deck for checking the answers later. The person with the gold card can start bidding first. And in this case, the first player has the gold card. Now, cards with the higher values are more valuable and hence, more people will want to bid for it. This is the bidding mechanism. You can start bidding at 0 coins. However, once someone outbid you, you must either move away to another card with a lower bid or increase the bid. For instance, player 1 start with 1 coin bid for the highest value card. Player 2 start with a 1 coin bid for the second highest value card. Player 3 bid for value 18. Player 4 decides to outbid player 1 by putting 2 coins. And player 5 decides to outbid player 2 by putting 2 coins as well. Now, player 1 decides to outbid player 4 by putting another additional 2 coins so that he or she has 3 coins now. Whereas player 2 decides to move away to a card with 0 bid. Now, player 4 decides not to outbid anymore because it is just the start of the game, and player 4 decides to move to another card with a lower bid, and he or she moves to the card with value 18. Now player 4 has the highest bid in this card here. Hence, player 2 will move away to another card, and player 3 decides not to use any coins, so he or she will move to the card with the lowest value. At the end of the round, every player should have an unique card. There should not be any cards with 2 players in it. Bear in mind you have limited coins and there are 30 cards, so bid wisely for the cards. For example, there are 5 players here, so there will be 6 rounds of games. Once you have bid for the cards, you cannot remove the coins. The more you try to outbid each other, the more coins you are using. Now is the important part, which is the answering time. Every player will have a set of answering cards. Choose the correct answer for the question and place down the answer cards. Next, we will check the answer for each of the cards here. Now, some players will get it correct, whereas some players will get it wrong. Those players who get it correct will get to keep the question cards, whereas those who got it wrong will forfeit the question cards. We will reuse the rest of the cards, but the coins will be permanently removed. Next, we will start a new round in the similar way. The games when there are not enough cards for every player. For example, if there's only 4 cards left for 5 players, then we will end the round. Otherwise, we will continue the game like previously. In this case, the next player with the gold card can start to bid first. To end the game, whoever has the most values in the card collected wins. For example, if this player has these 4 cards here, the total value will be 44. If 44 is the highest value among the rest of the cards, then this player will win the game. Hope that you enjoyed the game.